Hello everyone. Physics EMSAT question. A box has a mass of 7.8 kilogram and a constant velocity of 6.4 meter per second. What is the kinetic energy of the box? The formula of the kinetic energy, Ke equals half mv squared. So just here, straightforward, we need to substitute the values. So we have half times 6.8, and we need to take care about the unit. So here it's kilogram, so that's fine, times 6.4 squared, and again it's in meter per second, so all good. So the answer will be 159.7 joules. So the right answer here is the first answer. Thank you.